Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I decided to come out here to Cosper's Country Meat Mart out here on Elms Road. I heard they got some good food going on out here. What's going on, everybody? Today I decided to go out there to Cosper's Meat Market out there on Elms Road here in Killeen, Texas. And I decided to try their 2 pork chop plate. And on this 2 pork chop plate, I got 2 big old pieces of pork chop, mac and cheese, and homemade string beans. With that, I'm not gonna take up a whole lot of your time. Let's go ahead and dig in and let's see what they're working with. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start out with this mac and cheese. Let's see what this mac and cheese working with. Now, as y'all know, I'm not a big fan of creamy mac and cheese. Y'all know that already. I'm really a baked cheese, baked in the oven mac and cheese guy. But let's see what we're working with. Okay, I would say, even though I'm not a fan of creamy mac and cheese, this mac and cheese right here is pretty good. You can taste the seasoning they have in it. Tastes like it has a smoky meat flavor. And it's called a homemade Tag Daddy mac and cheese. But you can taste the flavor, you can taste the smokiness of the meat. It's some pretty good mac and cheese. All right, let's dig into these homemade string beans. Let's see what we're working with. These homemade string beans. I say string beans, some people may say green beans, but anyway, let's go ahead, let's see what we're working with. The homemade string beans taste pretty good too. And I'm not sure what type of meat this is in the string line. Is that turkey? Or is that brisket? I'm not sure, to be honest with you, but whatever meat they have in these string beans or green beans, they give these string beans or these green beans a lot of flavor. But you didn't come here for the mac and cheese or the string beans from Cosper's Meat Market. You came here to find out what these pork chops tasting like. So there it is. Big old meaty piece of pork chop, and I have 2 of them. So let's bite into this bad boy and let's see what we're working with. Oh, this pork chop got it going on. It's meaty. The pork chop itself is tender. The meat itself is seasoned well. The crust or the batter that they have on the outside of the pork chop is also seasoned well. I'm loving these pork chops from Cosper's Meat Market here in Killeen. You need to get out there to Cosper's Meat Market on Elms Road and try these pork chops. These pork chops is fire. So I'm liking the Tag Daddy mac and cheese. I'm liking the homemade string beans or green beans, whatever you want to call it. And I'm loving these pork chops. And with that, this is Stu, your food delivery junkie. I'm out. Peace.